Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you about the coordinate geometry. So what is the literal meaning of coordinate is a pair of two numbers which is used to represent the position. This is very important. The position of a point with respect to two mutually number lines called coordinate axis. Okay, clear? And what is ordered pair? An ordered pair means a pair of two objects taken in a specific order is called a ordered pair. Two ordered pairs are equal. If two ordered pairs are equal, so they can be written in such a manner: x comma 4 is equal to minus 7 comma y. So in this way x will be equal to minus 7 and y will be equal to 4 if two ordered pairs are equal. Next is Cartesian plane or coordinate plane consists of two mutually perpendicular number lines intersecting each other at their zeros. That is called the Cartesian plane. So to understand these all above terminology, I think I should share the what is the graph. So if we will understand through the graph, so all these terms will be clear to you. Okay, now see, this is a graph paper. So in this graph paper, this is a x-axis. What is this? This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Okay, and if you see this big block is actually this is a 2 centimeter graph paper. Okay, and this big block is its measurement is 2 centimeter, 2 by 2. Okay, so this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis, and these two lines are intersecting at point O, and this is called the origin. And from this origin to right hand side, this is a value of positive x-axis coordinates, and from the left hand side the values will be minus. Okay, and the same way here, from this origin to upward direction, y coordinates will be positive, and from this origin into downward direction the y axis will be minus. Okay, to understand this thing, I would like to share another important point here with you. This is called the first quadrant. This is called the first quadrant. This is first quadrant. Okay, this is known as a first quadrant, and in the first quadrant we write plus comma plus, means x coordinates will be positive and y coordinate will be positive. In this is the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, this is minus x, and in the upward direction means second quadrant will be formed with the help of this x-axis and this y-axis. So x will be minus and y will be positive. For the third quadrant, see, for the third quadrant I am talking about this one. So x is minus and y is also minus, because the y is this one. Okay, and for the fourth quadrant, if you see fourth quadrant, this is positive, means x coordinate is positive and y axis is negative. So plus comma minus. So for sign in which coordinate, the coordinate x-axis coordinate and y-axis coordinate, their sign will be decided by whether it is in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. Some more terminology to understand this one is x-o-x dash is a x-axis and y-o-y dash is called the y-axis. I am talking about this one. x-o-x dash, okay, this is known as a x-axis. y-o-y dash is known as a y-axis, and this intersection point O is known as a origin. Okay, the point of the point of intersection O is called the origin. Means I am talking about this point. This is called the origin. Okay. Now the important point is x coordinate or abscissa. What is x coordinate or the abscissa? So the distance of the point along x axis from origin is known as a x coordinate or the abscissa. In x axis, what I am saying, in x axis, this is a x axis, the distance from origin, this is origin, along the x axis. If we talk about this point, we will say this is 2. The coordinate of x axis is 2, but here the y is 0, isn't it? So what is x coordinate or the abscissa? I am saying distance from origin up to this point in the x axis is known as a x coordinate. In the same way, y coordinate, I am talking about x coordinate. X coordinate is also known as a abscissa, and from O to 2 here in the y axis, this is a distance from origin along the y axis, it is 2. At this point we will say y coordinate is 2, or it is also known as a y ordinate. What I am saying, please listen me very carefully. X coordinate is also known as a abscissa and y coordinate is known as a ordinate only. Here I have written on this text page. See, x coordinate or the abscissa, the distance of the point along x axis from origin is known as a x coordinate or abscissa. Y coordinate or ordinate, distance of the point along y axis from the origin is known as a y coordinate or only ordinate. Quadrant and sign convention I have explained you already. So there are 4. See here, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So their sign will be decided by this one. And always, if you see, if we have written coordinate 2, 3. So now come to this point, coordinate a pair of two numbers. Here see, this is a pair of two numbers. A pair of two numbers which is used to represent the position of a point with respect to two mutually number lines called coordinate axes. Here we are talking about these are the coordinate axes. If we have to represent, see here, 2, 3 coordinate. So what I am saying position of a point with respect to two mutually number lines. Position of a point. If I talk about this one, 2, 3, always this first one is a x coordinate, y is and 3 is a y coordinate, if its position we have to locate on the graph, so we will see G, where is 2, first is 2, the value of 2 means x coordinate, so 2 is here and y is 3, so see in the y axis it is 3, so location of this A, okay, position of this A has coordinate 2, 3, or you can say this point is denoted by 2 dimensions, 2, 3, 2 is the value on x-axis and 3 is the value on the y-axis, and x-axis is known as a abscissa, and y-axis, on the y-axis the value of 3 is known as a ordinate, okay, value of 2 on the x-axis is known as a abscissa, and value 3 on the y-axis, this one, distance from 0 to 3, this is the y-axis. Okay, so this is going to verify a point. I am talking a point, which point? Point A. A point, a pair of a 2 number which is used. So pair of 2 number is 2, 3. It is a pair of 2 number. Represent the position of a point which represent to 2 mutually number lines called coordinate axis. So what this A is locating here, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. On the next video now.